Universities produce some of the world's most groundbreaking ideas, but here's the challenge. Only a fraction ever made it to the marketplace. Why? Because many tech transfer programs are still measuring success by patent counts instead of focusing on quality, impact, and commercialization. So in the age of AI, technology transfer offices have unprecedented opportunity to reinvent themselves, moving beyond the paperwork and high-impact data-driven strategies that deliver measurable value for the entire university ecosystem. Traditional TTOs often live and die by the old metrics: the number of patents filed, basic royalty revenue, or startup spinouts. While important, they don't fully capture today's innovation impact. Leadership wants to see alignment with research priority, diversity of participation, licensing outcomes, and efficiency. But too many TTOs struggle to gather and communicate these metrics, creating a persuasion gap with the stakeholders. The result? Great inventions fall through the cracks, underutilized patents drain resources, and tech transfer teams are stuck defending their relevance instead of advancing their mission. So this is where AI can transform the university IP programs. First, AI can be used for invention capture. Tools such as Power Patent's AI-driven intake system do not miss a disclosure. They track diversity, volume, and inventor engagement, expanding innovation pipelines. Second, the tools can create patent applications from the publications. AI-assisted drafting and prior art searching improve claim quality, cut rework, and boost allowance rates. A KPI shift away from raw counts to real strength. Third is portfolio management. Power Patent tools provide analytics that map university strengths to market demand, identify underutilized assets, and flag licensing candidates, ensuring portfolios are optimized for impact. Next is commercialization. AI platforms match patents with potential licensees, recommend deal structures, and even draft preliminary agreements, accelerating startup creation and industry partnerships. Last but not least, these tools provide operational efficiencies. Automation frees time from docketing or reporting so staff can focus on strategic outreach, negotiations, and value creation. So imagine a university leveraging AI dashboards to show leadership in real-time KPIs, invention disclosure volume by department, allowance rate trending up at a certain rate, licensing revenue linked directly to AI-matched startups, and diversity metrics showing wider faculty engagement. Suddenly, technology transfer offices aren't just a cost center. They're the data-driven growth engine fueling the university's reputation, funding, and economic impact. The conversation shifts away from how many patents did you file to how much measurable value are we creating. Thus, in the age of AI, the most successful university TTOs will be those that combine innovation, capture high-quality IP, and data-driven commercialization strategies, closing the persuasion gap and delivering lasting value to the institutions and the broader economy. So, if you're working with a university technology transfer program, now is the moment to modernize your IP program. Power Patent empowers TTOs to build AI-powered, impact-driven strategies that turn campus inventions into engines of growth. Share in the comments, what's the biggest challenge for your TTO? Is it invention capture, commercialization, or stakeholder buy-in? And check out other guides for more insights on building high-impact IP programs.